Study like Einstein. Unleash your genius with effective learning tips. Hey there, incredible learners. Welcome back. In today's electrifying episode, we're going to unlock the secrets of studying like the legendary genius Albert Einstein. That's right. You're about to learn how to supercharge your brain power and master the art of learning like never before. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and let's get ready to tap into your inner Einstein. First off, let's tackle a biggie, the puzzle of studying effectively. Feeling swamped with subjects and deadlines? No worries. We're here to turn that chaos into clarity with some genius-inspired strategies. Here's what's on the agenda. 1. Craft a killer study schedule. Wave goodbye to last-minute cramming. With a personalized timetable, you'll balance your subjects like a pro, ensuring no topic feels left out. 2. Embrace active learning. Transform your study sessions from passive reading to active engagement. Summarize key points, teach your pet plant, hey, why not? Or whip out those flashcards. It's all about making the material stick. 3. Chase concepts, not just facts. Forget mindless memorization. Dive deep to understand the why and how behind the facts. This way, you're not just remembering information, you're ready to use it. And now, for the Einstein-level tip that'll revolutionize your study routine. Connect the dots. Link new information with what you already know. It's like building bridges in your brain that help you retrieve information faster and easier. All right, let's quickly recap. Plan your study time with a sharp schedule. Get active with your learning. Focus on understanding concepts deeply. Connect new knowledge to what you already know. Ready to give these tips a whirl? Try them out and drop your experiences in the comments below. Plus, hit that subscribe button for more brain-boosting tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every day is a chance to open your mind a little more. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your brilliance. Catch you in the next video where we continue our journey to greatness. Bye now.